smell like 3-week-old wet socks.
Fragrant and fatty.
If you don't wash it, I'll have to call the toxic disposal team.
It's okay. The natural bear fur is very odor resistant.
The cleaning campaign begins. The first target, a bear named Panda, extremely water resistant.
No. Washing makes the bear wet, cold, and shrinks into a mini bear. Just testing the new washing machine. Not washing real bears. Don't worry.
Just don't wash the bear.
You will be washed at the speed of sound.
Hello, world! This is the R3000 Jet Super Pressure Washing Machine.
Jet, check. Accelerator, check. Stabilizer to avoid washing the bear. Leave it for later.
Speed reaches 7, almost like a cosmic whirlpool. Good.
Brother Panda, come out and test it out. No washing, I promise.
That washing machine looks more like a UFO than a shower.
This is the speed control panel. This is the scented soap filter. And most importantly, the anti-bear suction button.
Are you sure it won't fly out?
Try it. Get ready.
Is that a washing machine or a cannon?
Flies even further than the pizza test. No. Not the next bear.
Don't worry, I checked the Don't Wash Bear button.
Just look.
Who's washing? Who's stupid?
Hey, wait, what's this? What? No. You're a real bear.
Deep cleaning in progress.
What a ferocious machine!
Rolly, help! Life, bear, spins like a pinwheel.
Wait! It's not a stuffed animal. It's my brother. Not strawberry perfume.
I'm flying without a parachute, without a parachute.
Okay, smart mode. Then I'll handle it the traditional mechanical way. Done washing. Someone fold the hem for me. You are no longer a bear. You are a wet towel with emotions. Level 3 drooping ears. Uncontrollable fluff. Softness beyond threshold. Experiment failed. Must save him with Plan B.
You are a bear, not a breathing mural.
Please don't turn me into a bear baking honey.
Hot! Bear is not cake.
No more fire, no more fan, no more kitchen appliances. Give me a break to be a ling bear.
I'm sorry. I forgot to attach a chip to identify the live bear.
Next time remember to attach the chip. No smoking bears for naps.
I didn't set this mode. What do you mean by self-washing?
It's gonna take a second bath. Stop, run!
No, not again.
The first time you slip is enough. Don't touch the washing machine for 100 years!
I took note. Prioritize washing clothes, not washing you.
If you hear the whoosh sound again, you'll probably lose all your fur.
Don't think I don't know how to clean the house. I used to clean the rabbit cage.
This is not a rabbit cage. This is an ocean of white foam.
I think we should open a super fast laundry, super painful fall service.
Plus, free memorable fall.
Remember to add a warning sticker. Not for real bears.
I'm adding a gentle wash function specifically for you.
Next time, just wash the bear by hand, Rolly.
Or I'll wash you myself first.
Don't wash anymore. I'm already white.
Update complete. Preparing to activate. Whole wash cycle.
Did I just see something strange? Or was it because I used too much perfume?
It's morning. I hope the machine isn't surprised.
Help me! I'm not a high-powered floor cleaning cloth.
Is this a washing machine or a black hole of household appliances?
No, the stuffed cat is my birthday present.
And this bear hat is intellectual property.
No, I haven't brushed my teeth this morning. Wait,
I'll pull you out with a toilet brush.
Starting the Clean Friends cycle. First target, bear.
Rooney! Rooney-wa!
It runs faster than me, Rolly.
This washing machine should be in the room, not the gym.
Look, special formula. Knocks out all odors and robots. Mode.
Deep sweep drill. Everything must be absolutely clean.
It has a weapon. What do you have? A mosquito racket.
And a strong belief in science. Get out! There's no water tap outside, unless it has a mobile sprinkler system.
Stop giving it any more hints.
everything must be clean, furry, perfect, spotless.
And what if the stain is?
Friendship?
Mint scent attack plus low-level electromagnetic.
Washing too much is pouring water on your head.
You're really good at washing, really. But life is also about stains. Stains are also memories. I just want to help you get clean.
Thanks, but being friends with a furry bear is also good.
Let's learn to wash dishes tomorrow?
On the condition that, don't put me in the sink.